Robert back here. Welcome to another edition of the Coffee Challenge. Okay, I attended the Central Kentucky Bushcraft meet. I didn't get a camp, but I did go down and spend the day with them Saturday morning after I got off work. Really enjoyed myself. Appreciate Dave for putting that on. But anyway, when I went down, took a coffee kit with me and a pack of Mountain House lasagna to fix for lunch while I was there. And my coffee kit I used was this little Walmart special, similar to the GSI cup. It's a little smaller than shorter than my GSI cup. It's got the same diameter, but it's just a little percolator I'd made, and we're gonna try this other one out. So I'm gonna use this GSI. See what y'all think about it. First of all, let's grind us a little coffee. I like my fresh ground coffee. Got to be enough, more than enough. And ought to work out about right. We're using my little Sterno butane stove. Cool little backpacking stove. It's very simple to use. You just screw it onto the canister. Crack the valve, click the button, turn it down just a hair. That simple. Okay, we're starting to get a perk now. I'm going to turn that heat down. And I'll keep that at a low heat for the rest of the perk. I think it makes a better coffee that way. That's just my personal opinion, but I like a slow perk. Okay, I don't have big enough a shop to put in a kitchen area or coffee station like my buddy Steve over there does. He's got a pretty good sized shop. But I did manage to build me a little coffee table that just mounts in my bench vise, just like my lantern vise. Let's turn it down a little more. It's getting a little carried away there. Okay, we'll get the thing turned down. Looks like coffee, smells like coffee. Oh, it's going to taste like some good coffee. How do you like that? That's the perfect amount for that GSI cup. That wasn't planned. Okay, this is an actual lid off a percolator I used on here. Man, that's still hot. Anyway, it's got a slot or hole cut in the lid there, and it allows me to pour it in there without spilling it. This one doesn't. Well, it's got a little round. I think I'll cut me a little hole in that one. See if I can pour that like that. Anyway, this one I've got on GSI, that's an actual percolator lid. But this one is a years ago, I mean probably 20 years ago, I found some of these little metal cups at a flea market. They had the solid handle on them, didn't have the folding handle, but they were real thin metal, and they had the thin metal lids for $1 a piece, and I bought 5 or 6 of them at the time. Wish I'd bought more, because you can't get these lids anymore. But the lids, I mean, for $1 you can't beat them. And I use them on my GSI and Walmart cups. I'll have another 1 or 2 around here somewhere that I still have. But anyway, I cut out a circle on the top of it and put it in the glass piece for the percolator. I cut it just a little bit loose, so I cut a ring out of the top that I took that out of, the aluminum one, and threaded it down on there, and now that holds it really secure. So worked out pretty good after all. Okay, this cup's gonna go to somebody. About my new friend over at Hersham Hills. Hey buddy, this cup's for you. Man, that's good. Buddy, I'm working on your percolator. I did find a basket that fits good, but the inside diameter is a little too small to fit on any of the tubes that I have. I'm not even sure where I got this one, what happened to the tube, but I mean, it's the right size basket, but I'm gonna have to find another tube and stand before I can make your percolator. So I'll have it here before long, but if you want to go ahead and PM me on Facebook and give me your address, because I'll be sending that out here before long. All right, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.